guys, welcome back to the video. In this video, I want to share with you 7 digital skills needed to become a content creator. Yes, if you have always been hearing me on this channel that if you want to become a content creator, it is digital skill you need to go and learn first, okay? So let's look at digital skill number 1 that anyone that wants to become a content creator needs to know. Or even if you are already into the content creation business but you don't really know that there are 7 unique digital skills you're supposed to master, this video is also for you and also for the beginners. So let's look at digital skill number 1, which happens to be video creation skill. This happens to be your ability to record clear videos either with your mobile phone or your camera. And what you literally need to achieve this is good lighting, clear sound, and proper framing. Good lighting in the sense that you need to get like a good ring light or a good studio light to make sure your face looks very clear or bright, just like you're watching me right now. I'm making use of a ring light to record this video you're watching, and I'm also making use of my mobile phone to record this video you're watching. And when it has to do with clear sound, as you can hear, my voice is very clear and audible. So you as a content creator, you need to look into your audio very well. You can get affordable microphones that will help your audio pop very well and sound clear to your audience, because people can look through a bad video. Your picture quality might not be too good, people can manage with that, but once your audio quality is bad, people can't take that or people can't tolerate that. So clear audio, good picture quality, and proper framing. Proper framing in the sense, as you can see now, my face is properly framed at the center of this video. Imagine if I'm recording and I'm somewhere like this, or I am somewhere like this. That's complete improper framing. But as you can see, I am centered at the middle of the camera. Video recording skill is the first skill anyone that wants to become a content creator need to go and acquire first. Then the second skill, which happens to be the most important skill, is video editing skill. If you have been following me here on this channel, you always hear me say this. If you are claiming to be a content creator and you don't know how to edit videos yet, then you are not yet a content creator, because every content creator must master video editing skill. Any video you watch might have gone through the table of a video editor. Just like this video now, I edited it by myself. If a video is not properly edited, it won't be enjoyable. There could be mistake during the time of filming that video. When we talk about video editing now, it has to basically do with cutting and trimming of video clips. I call it trimming of fluff. Fluff are those parts of the video that you don't need, those parts of the video where you made mistakes during recording. You need to trim them off, and in order to do that, you must be a good video editor. And some of the unique video editing software I would recommend for you to start making use of for free: mobile phone video editing software. CapCut is there, VN is there, EasyCut is there, and InShot is also there. You can install any of these video editing app from either your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store and get started right away. Let's also look at adding of text, sound, and effects. Yes, sometimes if you watch my video, you do hear background music playing in the background. You need to understand that when applying sound, you have to keep the sound at the minimal level. Your sound shouldn't surpass your voice. Your audio should surpass your sound. You have to master how to do that. You can also do that with that same software. Adding transition, animation, and effect. Video editing basically has to do with trimming of fluff, adding of text, background music or sound effects, and also animation and transition. So it's very simple. I've done a lot of video tutorials on how to edit video with mobile phone. I will drop the link in this video description below so that you can also watch and master video editing process. So note, every content creator is a video editor. Before you can call yourself a content creator, you must be a video editor. So if you don't have that at the back of your mind already, please do now. Go and learn video editing skill. In case you don't know how to go about it, you need somebody that will teach you, that will guide you on how to really go about it, you can get in touch with me. I'm here, I'll train you, I'll teach you how to become a video editor. My WhatsApp contact will be displayed on the screen, +234 81 67 85 2996. I repeat, +234 81 67 85 2996. Video editing is the foundation of content creation. Quote me anywhere. Then let's look at digital skill number 3 that anyone that wants to become a content creator must acquire or must master, which happens to be graphic design basics. Yes, graphic design can be very broad, but the basics is what you need to get started as a content creator. Yes, just like the thumbnail of this video you saw that made you click on this video, it is graphic design skill that I have mastered over the years that I used to design the thumbnail. So this is the reason why you as a content creator, you need to master graphic design skills in case you want to create social media posts, you want to design YouTube thumbnails, or you want to create channel banners or your social media profile banners. Graphic design is very necessary for anyone who wants to become a content creator. Quote me anywhere. My special recommendation tool that you can lay your hand on to start your graphic design work is Canva. Canva is free to use. All you just need is an internet connectivity, and Canva comes with numerous templates that you can lay your hand on and just re-edit, do little or minor edits, and you are good to go. I've done a lot of tutorial videos on how to use Canva to edit YouTube thumbnails, how to use Canva to edit YouTube banners, and a lot of that. I'll be dropping their video link in this video description below so that you can check them out as well. Digital skill number 4 that anyone who wants to become a content creator need to master is content writing or script writing. Yes, this video you are watching, I spent some time scripting it so that I will not go off track during recording. Although this basically has to do with you learning or you knowing how to turn simple ideas into content script. Just like this video you're watching right now, the title is 7 digital skills needed to become a content creator. That is basically the idea. Now I have to frame out a script from this title. It's gonna be very difficult for a beginner. So for you that happens to be a beginner, if you don't know how to script content, a scripted content is very enjoyable. You understand? If you script your content before shooting, you find it very easy to shoot. You won't go off track. You won't go offline. You just go straight to the point, and whoever is watching will understand what you are saying. So master scripting or master content scripting is very necessary for you as a content creator. And in case you're finding it difficult or you are not too smart, you don't know how to go about it, you can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is there. ChatGPT can literally help you come up with content script ideas so that you won't find it difficult to film your content. Then digital skill number 4 that anyone who wants to become a content creator needs to master is social media management skill. Yes, you need to learn how to post consistently, when to post, and also you need to master how to build your audience, how to engage with your audience, how to respond to comments, and how to respond to questions and answers from your audience. This is basically social media management. You need to learn how to manage your social media platforms, be it YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or X. Whichever social media platform you are taking advantage of as a content creator, you need to master how that social media platform works. So that is where the skill of becoming a social media manager cross in. So you must become a social media manager. If you want to be a very good or a pro content creator, you must learn how social media management works in order to save you the stress of wasting your time on this social media platform doing the wrong thing instead of doing the right thing that will help you grow faster. The digital skill number 6 that anyone who wants to become a content creator must learn is basic SEO. That has to do with search knowledge. Yes, you must understand how this social media platform works. They work with SEO, that is search engine optimization. You must go and acquire the search engine optimization skill. All of these things I'm illustrating here in this video actually took me 4 years to master. You understand? You need to understand how SEO works because this is how people find your video. You must know how to describe your video very well with searchable keywords and searchable terms in order for people, as people are searching on maybe this social media platform, maybe people are searching on YouTube. Imagine when somebody wants to search on how to become a content creator. Automatically, my video might stand a chance of popping up because this video breaks down the 7 skills any content creator should acquire before he or she even start thinking of becoming a content creator. So I will optimize this video very well with searchable keyword terms, and I'll also describe this video very well so that the algorithm will know that this is what my content is all about. I need to optimize it. The algorithm can't tell what your content is all about from the video itself. If you apply some searchable keyword terms and some tags, essential tags, necessary tags that fit your video, it will help the algorithm rank your video very well and show it to people whenever they search for your video. So you need to go and learn basic SEO skill, SEO knowledge, search knowledge. Go and learn how it works. The basics, do not bother about the advanced level of SEO optimization. Just the basics of SEO optimization is okay for a content creator because you are just optimizing a video. So go and learn SEO, how to create searchable titles, how to create searchable keywords, and how to optimize your video descriptions in order to help your video come out on search results when people are searching for that kind of content or related content to your video. So lastly, this is skill number 7 that anyone who wants to become a content creator must acquire is communication and personal branding skill. I repeat, communication and personal branding skill. Yes, camera confidence is a necessity. It helps you buy the attention of your viewers. When I'm talking to this camera, for example, I will just be talking like this. Hello, in this video, I want to teach you 7 digital skills that anyone that wants to become a content creator should go and acquire first. You will click off immediately because you believe that I don't have confidence in what I'm teaching. So communication skill matters a lot as a content creator. You need to go and learn how to build your communication skill. I made a video where I talked about how I built confidence as a content creator. You must be confident. Confident during presentation of your content. Yes. Confidence should be written all over your face. Boldness, camera boldness, you must go and learn it. Talk with authority and impunity. Don't talk as if you are frightened or you are not sure of what you are saying. Speak like you are very sure and certain of what you are saying. Yes, this is how you buy authority. This is how you buy people's attention. Confidence. Be confident enough. You must also learn how to brand up by building your unique style and your unique voice. Yes, if you watch me on this video, whenever I'm ending a video, whenever I'm ending my video, I always use this statement. It's your boy Daniel Anthony. This way I just have to leave you. I love you all, but for now, bye bye and peace. Whenever somebody is watching my video, you will know that this is Daniel Anthony talking. From my voice alone, you will know that this is Daniel Anthony talking. Your content presentation style, your content presentation strategy matters a lot as a content creator. Yes, you must build your own unique voice and your own unique style. Do not mimic people. Your intro, your outro, your logo, your banner, everything, just build your own uniqueness. Branding is what is called in the content creation business. Yes, branding. Do not joke with it. It took me years to master what I've just shared with you within few minutes. Took me years to master it. So if you want to go deeper, if you want to learn more, you can get in touch with me. I just told you few of what I know. You understand? I still know more. You understand? I'm a pro in this thing I do. I've been here for the past 4 years. Being a YouTube content creator for the past 4 years, it's not a joke. So if I'm giving you the chance to learn from me, you are privileged to learn from a master. That's the bitter truth. I'm not saying this to hype myself. I'm not saying it for validation. I'm just telling you the bitter truth. If you are privileged to learn from me, you are privileged to learn from a master. Get in touch with me. My WhatsApp contact line +234 8167 85 2996, and I'll respond. I'm not the proud type. I'll respond because I'm building a community here. I'm trying to build my audience, teaching people how to make money online from any part of the world by taking advantage of 3 areas of concentration of the internet space, which is the content business, the social media business, and the crypto business. So this is what we focus on this channel. So whenever you see our content, this is how we do it. 7 days for a particular line, 7 days for the other line, 7 days for the other line. That is 7 days for content related videos, 7 days for social media related videos, and 7 days for crypto related videos. So this is how we have been running this channel. So in case you want to learn more, like I said, my WhatsApp contact line is displayed on the screen. I'll respond as fast as possible. It's still your boy Daniel Anthony. Start today. There is no perfect time to become a content creator, and don't wait forever. And let me tell you one very important truth. You don't need to learn all of the digital skill I just listed from the onset. You can start with just 3. You understand? Because you trying to learn all of these 7 as a beginner will stress you. I'm telling you the bitter truth. Don't think because I illustrated everything within a very few minutes, that means it's very easy to master. It's not easy. It takes time to master it. You understand? But you can start with just 3 as a beginner so that you won't waste much time, which is the video creation skill, video editing skill, and the skill of writing simple title and simple description. If you can master video creation skill and you master video editing skill, which is the most important, in fact, which is the bedrock of content creation. Video editing is the bedrock of content creation. If you don't know how to edit video, no matter how you shoot your video, even if you are shooting it with a Blackmagic camera, you are shooting with Nollywood standard, every movie you watch, every film you watch, every content you watch have gone through the table of a video editor. So if you do not know how to edit videos as a content creator, your video will never be enjoyable. So that is why I call video editing the bedrock of content creation. Any video you watch have gone through the table of a video editor. So master video editing, master video creation skill, and master how to write catchy thumbnails, how to write catchy titles for your videos. And you can start from there. As you go, the other skill will start piling up naturally for you. This is how I managed to build up my skill set as a content creator. Until I meet you, it's still Daniel Anthony. I just have to say bye-bye. I love you all, but for now, peace.